daughters and my sons. I am sometimes sad for you. I see the hate that's in this world, and I feel what you will go through. For there are those within this country who do judge you for your skin. My sons, they call you lazy. My daughters, they call gins. They judge you in an instant from an image on their screens, too ignorant to realize you're really kings and queens. They tell cruel jokes about you that label you as thieves. But only fools speak foolish words, pay no heed to false beliefs. And you'll find that you're a focus for things political. And you'll fight to find your way sometimes and wonder if you ever will. And it's things like these, my children, that will weigh up on your heart. And you'll want to put an end to it, but don't know where to start. And I wish that I could guide you. But I do to lose my way. Dense is the fog of misled fear that leads respect astray. The only thing I have for you, the only thing of note, apart from a love that will always be, is but a strand of hope. But do not doubt its value, for when the time arrives, you'll find that there are others who had kept the hope alive. And the journey will be long, and you will come to see it's true. You'll fight for your own children, as your elders fought for you. But keep the faith, my babies. Do not let it wear you down. The world can be a better place as long as hope's around.